Welcome to the Artègo Tips of the Week. The next few weeks we're going to be going into some of the new products and the in-salon services and how to actually apply and perform these new in-salon services. This will teach us how to increase our income and solve problems. After all, when your clients leave the salon and go to the store and buy their problem-solving products, we are losing valuable income, as well as we're not doing our clients any good service tips. We're not leaving them with any solutions to the problems. I oftentimes say to my clients when they say, well, I've been using this over the counter, what do you think? And I say to them, if I thought this was the best thing to do, I would be using them. But we're not, are we? We're offering professional service tips. So the next few weeks, I just want you to sit back and relax and watch our videos on some of the new products and service techniques. Now, the first one we're going to introduce is the blooming elixir. I know we've talked about this in the past, but we're going to give you an in-depth service tip on how to perform the actual service and how to get the best results by taking small amounts of the blooming elixir, following the step-by-step application, and we're getting excellent comments back from not only our female but male clients that are using this, that are helping to thicken their hair and give them more control. So I invite you to spend the next few weeks watching some of our service tips, learn how to help your clients, increase your income, and move your career forward. So until next time, keep tuning in. Thank you very much.
Audio Jungle.